Anel malaken yamwe kana diala content barwani lingwaseme. Biaka mal ka Nuer online TV channel and wala shan dangro du bangman ka pa idio kron kina dangro wid jandangro wid diech. Bana rai ke ponten kon lat karodian. Akari podaban lingwaseme ken yam bana rai ki kuran ki to kam de ni SSPDF kane de ni SPLA aiwo. Bala jeri podana bana nyuak eno ka kore bana rache ka kirme yadi te ka meche oje wika South Africa ka do badande malder ben ka jera wika South Sudan ka londe ka Dr. Machar no bana jeling manda choda lat ci jang ci wedi ki ngum le rode ya jeling ka jeri poda meni Akan konon yami jiram jirit gwaseme gore jeno jende subscribe kuli notification bell de jetwain code let de kan chamala chu gwasne ten gor kon ken ode ka utin ko kon more detail bana ka link ta dana let ko rode je ki ngum shoda lat no kon diala ngach no ka gwadan je to je ko gwawo bi kordan palping ka liang ka ten kon to ka ngulat ko rode no ki ngum to bu kon ling ka gwadan ci kurce toktin no ka dogdan kon linga je ko gwano badan palping no en kur en ci tok ka SPLA yo kana de na SSPDF de na SSPDF kel ken werwtin ta charodian mat kel are kur mo awache tok daro chal ka wuntur ka no fanga ka jan gwadan ti kotetin wa kur kurmidit ga jan wo bete ka more information te bano ngale lo ci korjerum ka jan gwasamene guru jano de ne dial de kan tika ngach ke de kan tika liang kamandan le rode no korto ge de ki ngum le rode de kon dial mishit kan mo de kon ngach ko ti dial guru jano ba galing kalo din ki do badan en token ke je ko more information la guru ba galing ka ta dan en ngwane lat ko din ke je ngai kon dial madan le rode re wichin winimi e ci goro tin longo kor gon mi bar en go en doro shal ko mo fan gak eno kan din en kon la din SSPD wa gur kan longo no de kan ka kel ki ngor wawne kan en kon la jang eno de ga mat kel ko do badana dong kan je no de wi de kan kep ke je ngai kon dial madana le rode ku ramdan en kep jong le ngai kon gudu shal ko me doctor gay ko jaram dan te ke ne diala to ka jeri poda me bana moditel bana ka link gwasen be ko mi chalat ko chala do jen che tuok ana mo bu ko dan palping ke linde ka dob dan andong de jelinga je lung ke manna ka lung no de link kan siang da la ta dan len ngarin ke ngai kon dia ten kon lat krodien right ngai kon kore ngai kon rik ten kon tuok ano de ka kap chong de te dialati e kum kem yadi de ka kap chong ne but kir sia goro te ka medara kap chong ano cherma dar ngai kon ano jen la de ke le goro jen o daga ne so Sudan ten bradien malala de take more information de ban link ka jen kwi jong le money goro jen o biaren palping ka liang de wuda me jana waram kelmi mo she tika ti jeri chalat bebe kun yaka tok engli kamanana chalat on March 29, 2026, which is today in Ayut County, Jonglei State, according to information received a few hours ago from source on the ground in Ayut County, 8 Well Food Program WFP truck carrying food commodities have been offloaded at Wow Payam headquarters near a military barrack in Wunkwe village. This action was reportedly carried out under the order from county authorities instead of delivering the supply to the designated distribution point in Nyanapel, Jech and Karmun. These locations had previously been agreed upon as part of established road access arrangement and security assurance signed between the Ayut County Commissioner and Well Food Program. It is alleged that the County Commissioner directed Well Food Program to transport and offload the food in areas controlled by SSPDF forces, raising serious concern about the intended distribution and access for vulnerable communities. Local communities have reportedly been in distress since early this morning, expressing concern over the situation and the lack of access to urgently needed food assistance. So people are calling upon embassies and the international community to urgently intervene and address this crisis in Ayut County to ensure that humanitarian aid reach the intended beneficiary without obstruction. Ajo linkon mogwase me wude me jen awache kwak chakai jak kwa kondechok wa kwa to de ga chupki de ga wodor mishala do de ka utin bat chala do shi netin kontin la kanti ki ne kon la kwar winimi ke information mashanu wa take truck ne dang badak no kan truck dang badak to wa kap kan kwan no look let kan ke well food program KWFP wa kwatin kon kap kan ke wa de ko kapin ka Ayut wa ga chobden ka wow payam headquarter gwa mutieke military barrack mo dorte ko un ko village twala do nene ci de ni SSPDF kan netin konti la kwarken wa chu kan kono mo chu kana kapin lo lokano we ka wonyam an gwadran cha kapin tin wa do de ni ke dor SSPDF mun chala do no en kono me wa dere we gwado dien dere we kanya na pal dere we ke je ka dere we ka karmun ke location de ti chala do no ko gwasi dan wa kan kono cha ta ko de kon dere chu kake ko de ko mi dere chu bre kunen kanetin kono shuch boraina murai kono instead of dong de kwandara shubun winimi sha gwada dana dere wetin chaje nyokami chaje divert and gwada dana sha agree o kwande je nan ka Ayut no chaje kula la teme ko en me dana sha agree commissioner kana well food program wa kwande nan ka Ayut gwada dana should nothing but teme murai kone she county commissioner wa she well food program no chaga dara gano kwanna ngaje no je de ni SSPDF forces so jo me chalat alo kwana ta me chalata ni chet gwada dan en to civilian ta tin kene de kona shoot kwan sha nan chao kam de ni SSPDF na me mutu en stereo don de non vulnerable communities chalada no cha kwana mo cha je logo no be chop local communities kan shoot kana long commission kana me ko zan kwana me wadare we kaka barai now cha kwana mo cha ja ka jo dan chalat kadin dial tigin tin eno ngum le road exactly en winimi de na me dare we no jodan dong di yen linga ja tukon kana beri pomi bana link jo andan inshallah ka kui dakra machar kana kirmi yadi ngai kon dial no kirmi yadi chelun jok re wika South Africa ko jen ano be mal be no re wika South dan man cha kula de jen bana kula kwen gwasme me dole dana cha dol tiang me cha kula mon puno ke chala no jen shamon dole cha dol pan ke je ke cha dol tiang ke chikan ten kon lat karod jen chikan gorno de kan kalat ko de mal derben men shaje ka kirmi yadi den binimi jan shajo advice no jen muloje joko gore jeno bi male dane shatan a bon C5 group bi jawe nyok mu ko je implement ki bi jawla slet shajo me shaje ladi nono so right now right kone chikirmi yadit no che chudol kaneka so do bran chik dol ke je kan bi kan mal bi kan implement janda na tan tam mal ba je implement ki implementation de chala lora bang lar ke je ko mi cha da ma char chalu nyin den bi ke nyur nyok ba do dan de na nyam bu je bay lalet ti mal lora bang ba da mal mi cha plan ko di chikir sia ngaje no ter right now jen che fail chele ngu tae dan e gwe je no dong take a power je de control entame la wechi do no to ba we jek ko mu we kir mi yadi we kan yada kuma cha jalun and then ba ngajin international community en go jen che gul dier kan to country la South Sudanese so for that reason until right now right kon you ga kir mi yadi no jen lo nda kam char wure malka kan mi che jen ba da kuma cha dan ba je lo kan to ken ko gul la jira madan lo go bi malbe ben ko la how many times international community she can shoot you can kir no jina alun da kuma char bi mal beben lokin ma yadi de so chagu jen tam en problem chela te da kuma char te kan ate kir so chagu jen jaram dana bum gide ka kwinga ko kwuru mu shal kame Museveni ko kan wa charen mat kel ko bikate ka chingten kon bi kan la rawi ka Sudan gwam ni shu natin a chenga sala rishad jegnete kon tay which so for that reason me je chiamu jek che jenong so chaju kan tam no en kir ma yadit men la de kelu chala mu je ke no mal rewi ka Sudan ne me chala mu dien so raina murai kone yo ga kiro no mele dimo chala mu je cha janga kelu so for that reason gorga kiro no jen ba mu gwa ba jalat ka kwisa Sudanese a cimma dunda karwade okay so ne me amutu wa ta mu raina murai kone shaje goro ba je pressure ko ba mal ba je no kon kira komu kɛnɛ che mal che jinok kan all the fun che men cha tu gore de United Nation ano nan kan ke men kwak equipment ni laboratory Latin content kwa na le la tem ke je mi item yo dul wala yo na ba ngaje no jwe te je me so right now cha ngaje no chicken ya di chemal che jinok ajin nen yen dag wi dial doro maneken che jong le che dak no che Unity State che dak cha panal che dak tele gwan mo gwa right now even doro jana jin ko na tem to ko tikten so cha wudu me ya jino jina ina siro bedang ne kan dor dial chemal che tel ko tele gwan kan tem che ma che wakten so man odi we teach mal chi no the week so Sudan so you mean that even it don't content like GSP la UK bondi al contrar ba ka di lok ko jin che nyu de no chi mal chi gor so imagine chalga ji a international community ka shi nok jogi no mal no ni ko tan we can election kwanya kwar ya mi cho fail yo ndar ma cha fail den bitlo kwar ka kami siradin cho pa den bela kwar but titi no nega na gonya dial ka jino ladi jino to mal teten mal bakule teten de mal ladi ga tugdu ka jini gwad mi nyina en kwen kwar bakule tuogde gwad mi mo liuna tin liuna ra wika so Sudan ka kwen kwala ja lit ka first of all mugo yen be mal beben na bi nyur ba mal ba jalat bena nyur and then yo mi chana agree a changa jino chi mal che ben na kulu we ka security arrangement then security arrangement wana ku na rin wal tin arin net yami na rokon ngazi ndon na kulu we election na ku inquire akan process ko la latke so wena mu to kone kin mi yadi jaram danan cha jogo jin ko bi mal ben gore jeno bi da kham char bi jaluñ so jeni sha kullin raga mane a ten waga ten latke no ina men tama ana sha kwajen ba mal ba jalat ban mal ngude len den mal ngude ko di malo ba jalat ki ba je tan by the way gore da kham char ko mu kan da kham char kon kambar nan ce tan gwam bi nawutin the only option out men to get kiro jen bada mu char baji de release ka tijen so jen ta dan le rode amar dien bi angaji no kejer wona men tama daga mu char eno chete ka ron antama ko yan jen ga jen shanga jen dan ro yur bakal ga paido ko dan wa ina amrai ko na she 1 year she jetin no allo ka chan dan ro bakal paiwo ka paido ko kina yan dan ro with the bakal ti daga mu char eno che 1 year she jetin ban jemin ngwada men First by President Dr. Machar has marked exactly 1 year in detention this week following his arrest alongside senior political and military figure aligned with the Sudan People Liberation Movement in opposition, SPLA-IO, for their alleged involvement in the Nasser incident in March. In a statement issued on Friday, Pogbot Balwang, the acting spokesperson in Machar office, say that the anniversary reflected a deepening political and security crisis, warning that the 2018 peace agreement is under strain. Today marked the first anniversary of the unlawful detention of H.E. Dr. Riek Machar in Durgon, the principal signatory of the revitalized agreement on the resolution of conflict in South Sudan. The statement say that over the past 12 months, the very foundation of the peace in Sudan, or the peace that was signed in Sudan by both leader Dr. Machar and Kir, being held hostage by the regime in Juba. Dr. Machar, the leader of the SPLM-SPLIO, who was arrested on 26 March 2025, is a key figure in the revitalized agreement, which ended a year of civil war and established a unity government with President Salva Kiir. His detention and ongoing trial have become a major point of contention between the parties to the agreement. In the statement, Balwang, the SPLA-IO spokesperson, alleged widespread violation of the peace deal, including arrest of opposition figures and attack on agreed military site. He claimed that SPLA-IO leader and members have been arbitrarily and unlawfully detained and are being tried in a politically motivated sham court in Juba. The statement further accused government under President Salva Kiir Mayardit force of targeting opposition control areas, alleging that assembly areas, training center and cantonment site were systematically attacked and aerially bombarded. It also made unverified claim that civilians, especially the Nuer community, were targeted with chemical chemical prohibited weapon. But this is verified. There has been no immediate response from the government officially to the allegation. The opposition also criticized what it described as the erosion of power sharing arrangement under the agreement, accusing the ruling Sudan People Liberation Movement or SPLM-IG under President Salva Kiir Mayardit of taking position allocated to SPLM-IO. Baluang urged regional and international actors to intervene, calling for immediate and unconditional release of Dr. Machar and all other detainees, arguing that this is detention as a stall in implementation of the peace process. His freedom is not only a matter of personal liberty, it is a prerequisite for restoring the spirit of the agreement and resuming a genuine peace process, the statement said. The mark come amid growing concern over delay in key provision of the peace deal, including security arrangement, constitutional reform, and preparation for election expected in December 2026, while Machar and his co-accused face court trial. While the government has repeatedly said it remains committed to the peace agreement, tension between signatories continue to surface, raising fear about the durability of the fragile transitional arrangement. Shirmishalin gwas me dakma charge paikel che ron kel che tiang already so te karwana temereti jian shi male da ne cha tan chala mu chi je ko cha je yen ka jara me da ne tan mal so ku monte right now malamo watere re kamedit unless cha je lun ajen gwa ran be mal ba kula ben ka je ajen menana gore de nya kon kel ban je kan da report bye bye.